Hello, how are you, all my dear students? I am fine. I hope you are well. I hope you are well. Very thanks to subscribe my channel, watch my video, like and shares. All assignment is no difficult. This is very easy. But chapter number 8 is all assignment is same. Please you understand point by point. Start now. New assignments. EXP 25 Excel chapter number 8 cumulative assessment apply certifications. Description. If you any kind assignment, please, if you any kind of assignment, please you contact me, my email and WhatsApps. And question number, start now. Question number 1. I increase the word because you watch better. Word. Start Excel, download and open the file names EXP 25 Excel chapter number 8 cumulative assessment implies. Grader has automatically add your last name to the beginning of the file. Question number 1 is first downloading the file, but I already downloading this file 2 and 3. Totals worksheet 3 and question number 1 is complete. Start now. Question number 2. Ensure the employee certifications worksheet is active. Then use the frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of job certifications in column D. Please your result in the range G5s, G9s. Ensure the employee certification worksheet active, then use the frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution and jobs certificates. Okay. G4 G5 enters equals frequency frequency distributions and jobs D jobs it's okay. Comma D frequency function calculate the frequency distributions bracket close. I enter G5 to G9s. G9 and question number 2 is complete and question number 3 start now. I increase the word and color change. Enter a function in cell G12 to calculate the standard deviations of column C. Enter a function in cell G12. Standards, it's okay. G12, it's okay, equal standard of column C. I enter G of column C, column C. Column C, bracket close, enter, okay. Standard deviations figure is complete. This is question number 3, and question number 3 is start. I start now question number 4. I increase the word, color change, enter a function in cell G13 to calculate the variance between salaries. Cell G13, cell G13, cell G13, cell G13, and between salaries, between salary, it's okay. Between salary, close bracket, I enter, okay. Variance figure is complete. This is question number 4 is complete. Question number 5 start now. Color change, enter a function in cell G14 to calculate the covariance of salaries and job satisfactions in data set. Note this is sample of data, not populations. Enter a function in cell G13. Covariance G13. G14, sorry, G14. Equal covariance salary and job satisfactions. Salary comma salary and job satisfactions, okay. This complete, bracket close, I enter, it's okay. Question number 6, question number 6 is complete. Question number 5 is complete, and question number 6 start now. I increase the word, I color change, because all students watch better. Word enter a function in cell F17 to calculate the correlations coefficient between employee salary and job stratification. Employee salary and job stratification, and function in cell F17. F70, it's okay, efficiency equals okay, salaries apply salary and job certification. Okay, for two okay, it's okay, and comma and job certification. Okay, close the bracket, I enter. Okay, correlations is complete. Question number 7, question number 6 is complete, and question number 7 start now. Ensure the data analysis tool park add in active. Use the data analysis tool park to create a histogram based on the salaries in column C. Use the range I4 and I9 as the bin range.